Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can sell your Bone Shiba swap. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So let's get straight into the video. So if you check, we are on CoinMarketCap and we are on Bone Shiba swap, and you have to just go in markets and check where all Bone Shiba swap is available. So if you see some of the exchanges, one is MEXC, LBank, BTC EX. So there are few exchanges where Bone Shiba swap is listed. And apart from that, I'm sure most of you must be having your Bone Shiba swap in your either in your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. So if we go up and check the contract, it's a Ethereum based contract. So this token is a ERC20 token. So there are two ways where how you can sell if your token is in the wallet. So the first one is Shibaswap, and so first you will need to download the MetaMask Chrome extension, and you have to go and connect your wallet. So I will simply go ahead and connect my MetaMask wallet first, and just wait for it to yeah. So now it's connected. Now if we go down, and what you have to do is basically you have to swap your tokens. So I will click on this and wait for it to load. So if you check this Shiba Swap and Uniswap, both are based out of ERC20 tokens. So basically you can swap your tokens here. It's taking some time for Shiba Swap to load. Meanwhile, I will check with Uniswap. So with Uniswap, my wallet is already connected, and if we go ahead and select tokens, I will go ahead and switch the network to Ethereum. Okay, now it's changed. I will refresh this again. Shibaswap. Okay, for some reason it's taking some time for Shibaswap. Yeah, now it's loaded. Now, if we go ahead and simply click on the drop down, Shibaswap is a bit slow. It's taking some time to load. So here, if we check bone, so you have to select bone, and now you can swap your token. So either you can swap it to Ethereum or USDC or USDT. So if we click on Ethereum, and let's say if you have around 1,000 bones, so you will get around one Ethereum as per today's exchange. Now if we go and swap with USDC, this is how it's done. So you will get around 1,800 dollars worth USDC. So what you can do is once you swap these bone tokens for any either Ethereum or USDC, and later you can transfer this USDT or Ethereum or any other token that you have swapped to your centralized exchange, and you can sell it from there. This is the simplest way of selling. Or I'm sure most of you must be already having accounts in Binance. So either on Binance you can do a P2P, or depending on the country, there are direct transfer option also, or direct selling option as well. So it all depends on where you are located. And so what you have to do is before selling, you just compare the rates between Shiba Swap and Uniswap. Now, if I go over here and search for bone, first I will need to import this bone. Okay, so I have already imported this, and now I will select USDC here. Now let's say if I want to swap 1,000 bones for USDC, so I'm getting around 1,852 on Uniswap and 1,837 on Shiva Swap. So for me, I would swap on Uniswap because I'm getting a better rate on Uniswap. And if we go over here and check the market, So these are basically the pairs on the other exchanges like Bone USDT, Bone USDT, Bone USDT. So if you have accounts on any of these exchanges and if you hold Bone, basically you can sell your Bone and get this USDT. So it all depends on where you have your accounts. And I'm not able to actually swap it because I don't have any Bone on this wallet. I usually keep my Bone on Trust wallet. The same is the case with Shibaswap. So if you have a sufficient bone balance, you would be able to swap it. So you will get the option over here. So this is the easiest way to sell your bone Shibaswap. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.